It's day 18 of the challenge, and it's perfect time for me to pull my rhubarb. I want to have it in the freezer so I can make a rhubarb pie in the fall. And it's been too hot out here, but the shade is coming on the garden, so I'm going to pull it and then this last time, and then I think I'll leave it till next year. Okay, that looks good. One more thing I want to get done today. It's too hot, but I'll hurry. I want to cut some more of this broccoli. I'll blanch it and put it in the freezer like we did the other. But it doesn't like it this hot, so I think it'd be better to rescue it right now. Okay, there we go. Let's get this over. We'll take this inside and put it in the refrigerator. I'll get to it as soon as I can. I have a Grange meeting tonight, but I will take care of that rhubarb right now. Sometimes people tell me they can't grow rhubarb, and I don't get it. Because I've been harvesting this right along all summer, and it has not let me down. I like to make a pie, but we are talking about adding it to some what's left of our strawberries for jam, and that's a good idea too. All right, that's what we ended up with. Now I'm going to take this in the kitchen to the sink and wash them really well, and then cut them into half-inch pieces and throw them in the freezer. I don't ever blanch my rhubarb. It doesn't seem to need it. It does fine without doing that. Isn't that a nice one? How red it is. Okay. And the broccoli, I think I'm going to put in the fridge in the drawer until tomorrow, because I have the Grange meeting this afternoon, so I need to get myself presentable for that. I'm going to leave a little bit early because I need to pick up the layer pellets for the chickens. It's kind of a fun thing. We've been selling our eggs. We only have 9 chickens. So we get a couple extra dozen now and then, and they're just, people are happy to buy them because they're just so good. And what we're doing is putting that money into a container for their feed. So we feel like that way they're paying for their keep. And I looked today, they're almost out of the pellets, and I looked today and there was $20 in there. So that's almost, well, that's a little more than what we pay for the big sack of layer pellets that we buy them. So works out nicely. There's our rhubarb. That's how much we ended up with. It'd be nice to have this in the freezer anytime I feel like making a rhubarb pie.